I'm Professor Pi. Welcome to my daily mathematical adventures. Hey, don't forget me. I'm Cowboy Rufus. I'm your favorite student. This is Evaluating Polynomials. The Algebra 2 standards are A2.APR.A.1, A2.APR.A.3, and A2IF.A.2. And I say the Algebra 2 standards because you've been evaluating polynomials or monomials ever since you started in algebra. There are some Algebra 1 standards. There are some pre-algebra standards. To evaluate a polynomial, what do? You substitute and simplify. That is, you substitute. In the early books, you had stuff like x plus 4 and let x be 7. And you put the 7 in, and you went 7 and 4, and you knew that was 11, and it was that easy to answer. Here, it might be different because we might have more powers. In this one, this is f of 5. We're going to evaluate 5. We put 5 in for the x squared term. We put 5 in for the x term. The constant term is still 10. There is no variable in there. So this would be minus 2 times 5, which is 25. Then I got 5 times 5, which is 25, plus 10. 2 times 25, we do the multiplication first, and it's got a minus sign in front of it. So that becomes minus 50, plus 25, plus 10, comes out negative 15. So we can say f of, that's how we would say it. We would say f of 5 equals negative 15. Let's try the same now, and we want the f of minus 3. Let's try f minus 3, and we'll do the same example with a different variable. Now, what do I have here? F of minus 3 is equal to minus 2 times, we substitute, minus 3 plus, that's squared, right? So put the 2 out there. So here I get minus 2 times minus 3 squared plus 5 times minus 3 plus 10. It looks just like f of 5, except for now we want f of minus 3. So let's go ahead and work this step by step. Once again, you substitute and simplify. I substitute already. I put minus 3 in where that 5 was. Now I simplify. That is, you actually work it out. This is minus 2 times 9, right? Minus 3 squared comes out plus 9, plus a minus 15, right? Plus 10. Now, this gets us minus 18, minus 15, and that should be a plus sign up there. Can't type. Plus sign goes down here, plus 10 down here, and that is equal to minus 23. Is that right? Check my math. There we go. Thank you. You're right. We'll continue. All right, here we have function of r, and we're going to let r become 6. So we substitute. The 6 goes there and gets squared. The 6 goes there. We add the 1. We get 37. It's 6 times 6 times 3 minus 18, right? Six times 6 is 36 times 3. You don't think it's 37? What do you think it is? All right, Rufus, give it to me again. 6 times 6 is 36 times 3. He says that's 108. Get your calculators out. Let's check his work. 108 minus 18 comes out 90. Plus 1, yeah, they said it was 37. I have no idea. This is an example out of your book. I have no idea what they did, but it's not 37. Good catch. Now, here we have g of x. 2 plus 4x minus a minus x cubed. We want g of 3. So we substitute. We put the 3 in here. We put the 3 in here. So 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Minus 27 times the minus sign is plus 27. 27 plus 12 plus 2, 41. That one they got right, but you're right, class. This should not be 37 up here. That example came right out of the back of your book. I should have checked it before I put it in. Now, that's how we evaluate. I'm going to start you off with some simple problems. When they get a little bit harder, we'll work a couple on the board. If you need a calculator, go to the top of Google Classrooms, go to calculators and get the second one. Use the scientific calculator. That'll be ideal. Thanks for watching another Professor Pi video. Yeah, y'all come back tomorrow. Cowboy Rufus and Professor Pi will teach you something new.